Hi everyone, it's me again, Abby, and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I just want to share with you how I did or how I created my own hair color mixture. So kasi nakita ko to sa Facebook, someone created or make her own purple toner. Kasi nga 'di ba hindi ko masyadong gusto yung color ng hair ko because it's so blonde. So, while I'm waiting for the purple toner that I've ordered, I tried to experiment. Kanina medyo okay naman yung result nung first attempt ko. So, let's see. Hindi pa ako nakakapagbanlaw because I wanted to leave it for another hour. So, 2 hours na itong nakababad. So, let's see. Baka mag-color blue na yung... Feeling ko blue na. yung scalp ko. So, ayan. And also, I will just show you kung paano siya na-mix. So let's see how it goes later. We're gonna eat lunch. We're gonna have a Samgyup lunch again for the second time this week. And we also ordered milk tea. So see you guys later. Bye. So, ayan, I had my lunch so late with my brother. So, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me again. So, tomorrow, I'll show you kung ano yung result ng aking experiment sa hair ko. So, pag hindi talaga siya maganda, di yung purple toner na lang yung hihintayin ka, diba? So, thank you so much again for joining me. And if you haven't subscribed on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye!